We going.
Spend more
What
time
this
with your
is?
numbers. Play twice daily games from the New York Lottery for a chance to win. You must be 18 years old to purchase a lottery ticket. Please play responsibly.
Summer-only savings await at your local Hyundai dealer. Where you go from there is up to you. Whether it's a lakeside campsite in a brand new Santa Fe, or arriving at the valet
Okay.
of
Where
your
they have
favorite
those
summer
way?
concert,
In Marshall, right?
Sonata.
No, Dad.
Tucson to the
Got into nature docs last year?
I do.
We go to the small
savings,
ones.
new vehicles arriving daily, and of course, America's
Okay,
best warranty for 10 years
seconds.
or 100,000 miles of worry-free
Seconds
driving.
where I
It doesn't get any better
Come
than
on,
this.
just seconds.
This is your summer to get away with it all
Seconds,
at the
sir.
Hyundai
Oh.
Getaway Sales Event. Now for a
Okay,
limited time,
seconds.
lease a 2021 Hyundai Elantra for just $139 a month.
What?
Get an Elantra.
What?
or Sonata.
Got into nature docs last year?
What? What's going on?
Welcome back. The Dallas Care Community
What's going
offices
on?
are
Go to
open,
a
and
small
we
mall.
can help with all your health insurance needs. Visit a Fidelis Care Community office to
Oh,
learn about
money.
applying for
Money,
enrollment,
money.
renewing your coverage, or to ask any questions
Like a
you may
big
have.
one.
Now's a great time for a health insurance
Okay, the
checkup.
big one.
There
You
is
go
nothing
this
else.
way.
/offices.
Alright, you go this way.
The office or street side RV location
Oh
close
no.
to you. Or call 1-888-FIDELIS.
Oh, no, he's
PTY
dying.
711.
It's hot. It's humid.
Oh
You want to
my
relax, full party
God.
/ barbecue. You got the human tsunami
Okay,
instead.
okay. Don't do it,
Today
Dad.
he's going for a
Please.
world record splash that'll send
Don't
inflatable
die.
swans into orbit.
Please
Dripping
don't be
wet,
there.
you grab a
I
nice
just
cold
go
can of
see.
Heineken. When another man-child-made wave embraces you.
Oh my
It's
God.
okay though, he's not splashing you. He's adding more refreshment to your refreshment.
No.
Where others see annoying splashes, we see immediate refreshment.
No.